We get very serious about spiritual practice. We get very serious about personal growth. We buy into a rule that healing has to be long and arduous. We have to try hard. But what if that's not true? Spirit often reminds my clients that they should bring play into the mix. Sometimes they tell jokes or make a clever play on words, getting people laughing. This is the energy to approach spiritual practice. Playful joy is the energy of life. When we lighten up and stop trying so hard, it frees up a kind of flow. It eliminates the heaviness. People relax, they unclench. Then Spirit can move through you more freely. Today, find ways to inject playfulness into your life. Make a playlist of comedians. Spend time finger painting without any concern of how it looks. Play the what if game and joyfully consider what life would be like if you won the lottery or your pet started talking. Make your own silly jokes.